AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR. Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and, for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 25th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up 0.5% at $87,411. ETH is down slightly at $2,069. XRP is up slightly at $2.44. Well, Kraken is reportedly exploring a $1 billion debt raise with Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan ahead of a potential IPO, according to Bloomberg. The talks are still early. Kraken said it may go public as soon as Q1 2026, but hasn't committed. The move comes after the SEC dropped its case against the exchange. Kraken previously looked at a pre-IPO raise of over $100 million in mid-2024. The company pulled in over $1.5 billion in revenue last year. Well, Trump Media and Technology Group has partnered with Crypto.com to launch a series of Made in America ETFs and exchange-traded products through its TruthFi brand. The ETFs will bundle U.S.-focused digital assets and traditional stocks across various industries. Crypto.com will handle back-end tech, custody, and supply assets like Bitcoin, Kronos, and others. The funds are expected to launch later this year, pending regulatory approval, and will be distributed internationally through Forest Capital US. These ETFs are part of a larger fintech strategy by Trump Media, which includes separately managed accounts and uses up to $250 million custodied by Charles Schwab. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear signed HB 701 into law, securing protections for crypto users in the state. The law guarantees the right to self-custody crypto in personal wallets, blocks local governments from targeting crypto mining with discriminatory laws, and confirms that mining, staking, and running blockchain nodes aren't considered securities or money transmission under state law. The bill passed unanimously in both chambers. It aligns Kentucky with other crypto-forward states like Utah. Separately, Kentucky is considering HB 376, which would allow the state to invest up to 10% of excess reserves into digital assets with market caps over $750 billion. That bill hasn't passed yet. Binance has suspended an employee from its wallet team for allegedly using insider info to profit off a token before its token generation event. The employee reportedly got the intel during a previous business development role at BNB Chain and front-ran the market, violating company policy. The project involved wasn't named, but users on X linked it to the Binance Smart Chain meme coin UUU. One user posted screenshots showing a wallet dumping over 6 million UUU tokens on March 23rd, triggering a price crash, and linked the wallet to Freddie Ng, a Binance wallet team member. Binance said it's cooperating with authorities and considering legal action. It also awarded $100,000 to 4 whistleblowers who reported the violation. Well, BlackRock is launching its iShares Bitcoin ETP in Europe today, listing it on Euronext Paris, Xetra, and Euronext Amsterdam. This is BlackRock's first crypto-backed ETP outside North America. The product is backed by Bitcoin held in cold storage by Coinbase Custody International. The move follows the strong performance of BlackRock's U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF, which now holds $51 billion in assets and has seen $40 billion in net inflows. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have posted 7 straight days of positive flows, with $84 million in inflows and $2 billion in trading volume on Monday alone. And finally, Binance identified a move market maker that dumped 66 million tokens right after launch, making 38 million USDT in profit. The entity was linked to past misconduct and has now been banned from the platform. Binance froze the funds and alerted Movement Labs and Movement Network Foundation, who said they were unaware of the activity and cut ties with the market maker immediately. Movement committed to using the recovered 38 million USDT for a Move token buyback over the next 3 months to establish a Movement strategic reserve. The buyback will happen on Binance with tokens sent to an on-chain reserve wallet. It's unclear how this compensates users directly, though Binance said the freeze was to do so. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubeck.
And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.